We are using the trigonometry. Trigono means there are the three sides. We are discussing about the three sides polygon, then it is the trigonometry. Generally we are discussing in the trigonometry right angle triangle. In this chapter we are using these words and ways of words. Now we discuss about what are these. The first one is a ray. A ray, it has a initial point, then it is going from the initial point. Suppose it is the one initial point, fixed point. Now any one of the line, arrow mark, this arrow mark represent never end. It is going to infinity, long. But it is fixed here from this. It is a ray. Now, and next, original ray. Original ray or duplicate ray, there is not two rays. This depends upon another. Rotation ray. If one ray is rotated, then remaining is fixed ray. The fixed ray is called original ray. Okay, now generally original ray, initial point, and this line, I am taking a horizontal line. It is parallel to the floor. That is the horizontal line. This is, we are taking generally it is original ray. Rotation ray. What is the rotation ray? Rotation ray is another line, another ray. Suppose, see this chalk piece. It is also one ray. It is another ray. Now it is fixed. The chalk piece is moving. So it is rotated. Now here two rays are coincide. The chalk piece ray and that ray coincide. Now one ray, that is this color ray, it can moving like this. Now here it is the ending point. It moving. This is the rotation ray. It is a rotation ray. This is original ray. Now initial point. What is initial point? These two rays are starting here, so this is called the initial point. Suppose see these two sticks. Now these two sticks coincide to one each other. Now it is rotating, so this is rotation ray, it is original ray. Suppose like here, now coincide. Now it is rotated, so it is original, it is rotation ray. When it is rotated, here what happened? There is some area increasing. Here some area increasing. So this part, this area is increasing. This represents the measure of angle. This is the angle, not we are discussing about that. This is the degree of measure. This is only angle. So for the representation of angle, no need of bubbling inside. Only one this. Here which is initial, which is rotation ray. How to understood this? For that purpose, take a arrow mark in the rotation also. This arrow mark, the ending is rotation ray, beginning is original ray. If it is rotated this, then this is rotation ray. If it is rotated downwards, suppose it is the initial point, this is the original ray. Now see this is rotating downside. Now it is original ray. This is rotation ray. Now angle is draw like this. This is this side, this is this side. Now which side? Side means what is the direction of this angle? Direction of this angle. What is the fixed direction? So observe the clock. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Which is the clockwise? This is the clockwise. This is anti-clockwise. Anti-clock direction angle. This angle is counting in the anti-clockwise. So this angle, this anti-clock angle you are taking, this angle is a positive angle. Positive angle. This is positive angle. Suppose this angle you are represent the theta, then this is theta. Here theta is positive. So this angle theta is more than 0. 0, it is positive. Now just observe as a positive here. Now this is clockwise direction. Clockwise direction taking it is a negative angle. This is a negative angle. Here also theta, but it is negative, it is positive. This is positive angle, it is negative angle. Anti-clockwise, positive, clockwise, reverse, negative. That now it is the theta. Now how to measure the angle theta? How to measure? There degree measure. First one is degree measure. What is the degree? In the globe, observe in the globe, total angle is 360 degrees. In a circle, already you know the circle. The circle is it has a center point. This four angle, all angles, total angle is 360 degrees. Degrees, that is the 360. Now you are dividing this 180 degrees here, 180 degrees. 90, 90, 90. Now 45, 45, 45 degrees. Like this is the degrees, degree measure. Degree measure is total measure in the circle is 360 degrees. Already you know this one. Now see here, what is the angle between these two lines? Here lines. Lines means it is the initial point, it is one ray, it is another ray. It is one ray, it is another ray. This rotation, this angle is how much? Already you know it is 90 degrees. So 90 degrees special representation is, this is the special representation, it is a square. A square, small square representing 90 degrees angle. Here 490 degrees is 360. This is the degree measure. Already you know the degree measure. Now next radian measure. Now this is some different way. We are discussing about the radian measure. What is the radian? 1 radian क्या है? See, write a circle, draw a circle and look at the point. Draw a line. It is the initial point. Now this line is original ray. Take it is the original ray. Actually, original ray is going to out also. You may draw out in the circle. Now this radius, this length, suppose it is 10 centimeters. It is 10 centimeters. See, this stick is the radius. Now it rotated ray, it rotation. When it rotation, this length does not change. This length does not change. It is 10, it is also 10. But this length is increasing. This length, when it is 10 centimeters again came, it is 10, it is 10, it is also 10. Again came, then draw a line. This is 10, this is 10, this is 10. Now, this measure of the rotation, this angle is 1 radian. Now, theta is equal 1 radian. How to represent the radian? Always you are writing radian. Suppose 30 degrees. Always degree, not possible to write. So this symbol is 30 power small circle. It represents a 30 degrees. Now theta is equal to 1 radian. 1 radian is equal 1 to the power of C. 1 radian. 1 radian is equal. What is the radian? This radius and length of arc. This length arc. 3 values are equal to it is a 1 radian. Suppose this circle is थोड़ा increase करो. Here I extend the 1 unit. Now pora is 11 units. Now see here, it is 1 unit, it is 11 units. Then automatically this length also 11. Because it is fixed. Radius is fixed. It is also increased. Here how much increase? That much increase here. This length is 10, this length is 10 plus 1. Here how much are increasing? For 2 units increase, then this 2 units increase. So it is the radius is a fixed for any circle. So the radius does not depend upon the value of r or theta. Okay, now see, suppose it is 5 units, it is 5, then angle is the same. Take a half and half. Now this must be a half. So it is a 1 radian. Next, XY plane. The x-axis, one line, it is a horizontal line. Y-axis, vertical line. They are intersect at the origin. This plane, the plane formed by x-axis and y-axis. So this is called XY plane. Next, further, we may discuss about the remaining this sin x, cos x, tan x, cot x, sec x, cosecant x, trigonometric functions. We may use another one, but what is the relation between the radian measure to degree measure? See here, actually pi is the number, it is 22/7. What is the pi? Draw a circle. This overall length and radius. This total length is suppose S, radius is R. The ratio of S by R is equal to pi. S is circumference of the circle and radius. SR ratio, S by R. or how many times it will be cancelled, that number is 2 pi. 2 pi. Actually, when you draw a line, now it is ऊपर में सेमी सर्किल, नीचे में सेमी सर्किल. Now this length by r is equal to pi. This r rotating, how much length? This length by r is equal to pi. Our total s by r is equal to 2 pi. Now by experimentally, by using this one, put a thread and measurement. Now ratio is approximately 3 point something. That is 22 by 7 times. Pi is 22 by 7, this number. So 2 times of 22 by 7 is the ratio. That means 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is equal circumference. By taking different circles, they deciding this one. So it is a 22 by 7 is a number, a fixed number. Now pi radians, radian measure, pi radians, that is 22 by 7 radians. Pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Because you are taking, it is 1 pi, but this angle is 180 degrees. Already you know, in the line this angle is 180 degrees. So pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Pi radians is equal 180 degrees. 22 by 7 radian is equal to 180 degrees. Now 1 radian is equal. Here 1 radian is equal. Dividing by pi on both sides. 1 radian is equal 180 by pi degrees. Pi is 22 by 7. So 180 into 7 by 22 degrees. 1 radian is equal. Suppose 1 degree is equal 180 dividing. Pi by 180 radians. Degree to radian, radian to degree. Here pi is nothing but 22 by 7 to 180 degrees. Suppose I am giving the 30 degrees. Now convert into radian. 1 degree is equal pi by 180 radian. 30 degrees is equal 30 into 1 degree. 1 degree is pi by 180. That is pi by 6. Pi by 6 is equal 30 degrees. Like that conversation. Suppose pi by 6 is given. Now what is the angle? Instead of pi, write 180. 180 by 6, by cancellation, you can get the 30 degrees. Instead of pi, write 180 degrees. It is the basic formula. By using, you may write the conversation. But in this trigonometry chapter, every time you must mention the radian. Then it is difficult to every time mention, every time. So we may write pi radians. Instead of pi radians, write pi only. Actually pi is 22 by 7. But in this chapter, in the trigonometry, pi is pi radian. That is 22 by 7 radians. 1 radian is approximately 1 radian is equal, simply write 54 degrees. Approximately 1 radian is equal. It is degrees. 54 and some degrees. But no need of writing this. Only this is the basic formula, conversion, degree to radian, radian to degree. Now we discuss about the degree measure convert into minutes and seconds. 1 degree is equal 60 minutes. Already you know, so 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, like that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Minutes represented by 1 dash, single dash. It is minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Seconds represented by double dash. Now, see this. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Now, 1 minute is equal 1 by 60 degrees. Similarly, 1 second is equal 1 by 60 minutes. Then convert into 60 into 60. 1 by 60 into 60 degrees is equal to 1 second. Now see the one example. Example 1. Convert 40 degrees 20 minutes into radian measure. Here 40 degrees and 20 minutes is equal to 40 degrees plus 20 minutes. Here meaning is 40 degrees. How to read it? 40 degrees and 20 minutes. And matlab plus 40 degrees plus 20 minutes. So 20 into 1 by 60 degrees. 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60. So 20 into 1 by 60 degrees. Now 1 by 3. This is degree. This is also degree. Then totally it is degrees. Then convert into one value, that is 121 by 3 degrees. Degrees convert into radian is 5 by 180. Now this is the radians. Radians, or you may write the instead of radians power C. Actually this is it is enough. You may write this also. It is example 1. 1 mark question. Now one example. Convert 6 radians into degree measure. 6 radians is equal to 6 into 180 by pi degrees. Because 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degrees. Now multiply this. Here pi is 22 by 7. Because pi is in denominator coming, then the change 22 by 7 like this. Now multiply, you can get this one. By fraction 3 times and 4 times, 3 times, the remainder is 7 by 11 degrees. Now 343 degrees and 7 by 11 degrees. 7 by 11 degrees, 7 by 11 into 60. When you multiply by 60, convert into minute. Now it is 420 by 11 minute. Again, division 38, remainder is 2 by 11 minute. Now 38 minutes and 2 by 11 minute. 2 by 11 into 60 seconds. Now it is a 60 seconds. It is approximately 10.9 and something. Then it is approximately 11 units. So 343 degrees, 38 minutes, 11 seconds. It is the 6 radians. Exercise 3.1, question number 5. In a circle of diameter, it is diameter 40 centimeters, then length of the card is 20 centimeters. It is the given that 20 centimeters is the length of the card. Then what is the question? Find the length of minor arc of the card. Arc. Now radius is equal. What is the radius? This is the diameter. It is the 40. Now radius is equal uska half. 40 by 2 is 20 is the radius. Now O is the center, A this point and this point is B. Given that this is 20, so this is also 20. Now what is this triangle? All sides are equal, to all angles also equal. Now equal to 60 degrees. This angle is 60 degrees. Now theta is equal to 60 degrees. What is the question? Find the length of minor arc. Minor arc, major arc, there are the two arcs. Yes. See this way. This is minor arc. If you think about from this, it is major arc. This is major arc. This is minor arc. Now question about length of minor arc. This length of minor arc A to B. So length of arc AB is equal theta into r. It is the formula. Why it is the formula? That is circle circumference is equal to 2 pi r. It is the total length. 2 pi is angle at the center. Theta into r is the length. Same, theta into r. This 2 pi is the radian. So theta must be in radian. Here the theta is equal to 60 degrees. So pi by 3. 60 degrees is equal to pi by 3. How? Pi is equal to 180. 180 by 3 is equal to 60. So it is 60 degrees. It is pi by 3 into 20. 20 pi by 3 is the length of minor arc.